Let us see the next question. You toss a die. If the number on the die is less than 3, it means that it will be either 1 or it is 2. You receive $10. So if it is either 1 or 2, you receive $10. If it is greater than 4, you pay $10. So if it is either 5 or 6, you have to pay $10. Otherwise, means if it is 4 or 3, you call it quit. So neither you receive anything nor you pay. The question says that, so what is the expected payoff? That is a question. So dear students, out of 6 possible outcomes, okay, because when you toss a die, the number can be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So 2 out of the 6 situations, you are going to receive $10. So 2 out of 6, it means that say 1/3 chances that you will receive $10. Another 1/3 chances, that is if it is 5 or 6, what will happen? You will pay $10. In the remaining 2 cases, if it is 3 or 4, then in that case neither you receive anything nor you pay. So taking into account this probability and the payoff, you are required to make the calculation of expected payoff. So let us write an answer for the question. Calculation of expected payoff. Probability, payoff, we assign x variable to the payoff, probability into x. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. In first 1 by 3, you'll receive $10. In the next it is 0. And the last is, say you pay $10. So 1 by 3 into 10, you receive 3 1/3. In the next case it is 0. And in the last case it is negative 3 1/3. So the amount of the expected payoff is going to be 0. This is the way answer of the first question, expected payoff, can be found. So the first answer is of the expected payoff, and that is 0. Next, the question says that say, what is standard deviation? That is what we are required to find. So how we can make the calculation of standard deviation? It is x minus x bar, then x minus x bar whole square into probability, summation of that is variance, and under root of the same is standard deviation. That is the way we are required to make the computation of the standard deviation. So write an answer. Calculation of standard deviation. So in that case, again the column number 1 is probability, column number 2 is x, third column is probability into x, that is x bar, x minus x bar, then x minus x bar whole square into probability, summation of that is variance, and under root of the same is standard deviation. This is what we are required to do. So this is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 10 positive, 0, 10 negative. So it is 3 1/3, 0, negative 3 1/3. The expected payoff is 0. So x minus x bar, that is 10, this is 0, and this is negative 10. X minus x bar whole square into probability. So square of 10 is 100 into 1 by 3, that is 33 1/3. This is 0. Again, square of 10 is 100 into 1 by 3 is 33 1/3. So the total of that is 66 2/3. And this is what we understand is a variance. So under root of the same is standard deviation. So we understand that this is x bar. Then this is x minus x bar. This is again x minus x bar. X minus x bar. Then x minus x bar whole square into probability. So square of 10 into 1 by 3. Square of 0 into 1 by 3. Square of negative 10 into 1 by 3. This is the way the variance is found. And lastly, we have the standard deviation. It is under root of variance. So it is under root of summation probability x minus x bar whole square. So it is under root of 66 2/3. So it's under root coming to 8.1649. So let us take $8.16. Dear students, we understand importantly, since we have the data in dollar term, so we'll have the x bar and also the standard deviation which is in dollar term. This is what we understand. Expected payoff and standard deviation.